Man, you the one who got all the... Didn't you say you went to training?
Oh, yeah, look at that.
But yeah, so it's the next day. I'm gonna drop this this Fiat Alfa Romeo. We're gonna bring it down and bring it outside so we can start it up because it's smoking up the shop a little bit. Oscar came by to say what's up.
That's right. And then I tried to help over here to put it outside.
Definitely, it's always good to have an extra hand. But he also just told me that the notifications aren't really going through. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the bell. We're gonna pull this Alfa Romeo outside, try to start it up. Woo!
I'm definitely doing something.
Let it breathe a little bit. So yesterday we brought the car out, brought it outside the shop, but unfortunately this thing was puffing a lot of smoke. So basically what's going on with this thing, it has a blown head gasket, and the customer has another car that has, he said about 500,000 miles, about 500 miles broken in on it, brand new engine, and get ready for the next engine to be dropped in. Wow, so I just pulled the hose off and look at how much buildup is in here, how gelatinous that is. So they definitely try to put some sort of stop leak in here at some point, knowing that this thing was having issues. Most of the bell housing bolts disconnected. Got the oil both fluids, so I got the oil drained out of the engine and oil drained out of the transmission. So this thing should technically be free. All I have to do next is detach the mounts for the engine, so the engine mounts, and then get the hoist on it. Ooh, so I almost didn't do an outro for this video because this truck pulled up. I'm actually doing the oil pan on it. It's a diesel Ford Power Stroke, but this is just regular work. It's not the fun stuff. This is the fun stuff. So the engine's out of the car, as you can see right here. We're gonna tear this thing down just to see what's inside, or what's going on with it. He might keep it and rebuild it and do something special with it, or he might just I don't know, sell it to somebody. I don't know. You know, I don't really know much about these Alfa engines, what they're worth, and what people really do with it. But for what I know, he's brought me another car. We're gonna pull that engine out and put that thing in here, back in here. So it's just gonna be like a straightforward swap. You know, this thing was hurt. Like I said before, it had a coolant leak, so it had to come out. And he just happened to have another engine, and he didn't want to take the time to rebuild this one right now. But there is something special coming But there is something special coming for the other car that I'm going to be pulling the engine out of. So, as you see the layout of the engine bay, I'm going to swap it. Appreciate you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, tell a friend to tell a friend. The channel's been moving. Just going to be swapped, you know, in and out. I'm not going to show that one because that one is definitely the same thing as this and you don't want to see that again. But I'm rambling. Y'all have a good one.